try some crabs and sharks off the jetty.
Yeah.
And these girls are going to run amok.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
What are you going to do?
Can I hold it, Dad?
Yeah? Tell us what you're going to do.
I'm gonna do, Dad, can I turn around so I can see my face?
I won't be able to see your face.
Yes, I can see. Oh. What? I can't see my face. So I'm gonna go on a dark slide on, at Cowell, and I'm gonna like do this. Right? And that's it of my video. And now here you go, Dad.
What are you going to do, Leela?
I'm gonna be helping Stella on the water slide and helping this guys out.
You're going to go do some fishing off the jetty?
Yep.
Sweet. What are you going to be doing, babe?
Running amok on the water slide.
Can I go on the water slide too? I'm gonna be on the water slide a lot. Hi, I lost a tooth. And my tooth has already come out, see?
Where are we?
Where are we? What place
Oi,
what place are we?
Cowell Caravan Park.
Dad, can I see what caravan are?
Which bed's yours?
Top one.
Top bunk?
Yeah, but Stella wants it, but I dibs.
Let's get a bait in the water, a couple of crab nets. We'll see how we go. Wagon, what a beast. Sure beats slugging things up here by hand, that's for sure. Oh yeah, got a good feeling. Alright, just so everyone can see what I'm fishing with, I've got the crab nets ready. That one's got a salmon head in it. These ones have kingy frames. So they should draw on a few big blueies for us, hopefully. This is my shark rig. Gang hooks. Nice piece of salmon on there. Got my thorium, 15 kilo. And I'll get one of these rods set up with a snook lure on it soon. So I'll get these in the water. And yeah, we'll try our luck. Then I'll enjoy a few beers. That's definitely a good first pull. Trolley away. What a cracker. That is a beauty. There's actually 20 nice ones in there. Sick!
You're on the balloon. Oh, where's the balloon? Oh, right underneath your feet.
Where are we going next, Stella?
To the playground.
You having fun, Leila?
Yeah, no, I want to go in the water park. How you doing, Dad? Oh, here comes Stella. Whee!
Leila.
Huh? Hey.
Love you.
Love you too.
You had a good time?
Yeah, really good time. We still got a water park to go.
Cow's done pretty good, hasn't it?
Huh? I wish my Ella was like this.
Alright, you ready?
Ready. Now all of
Here we go.
Count it. Hi. Oh, dizzy.
You dizzy?
Yeah.
Whoa, wobble donkey.
Okay. So we're gonna go down the dark water slide. Hi, Stella. Hi. Go. She went down. Get it? Yeah, it's GoPro.
Down here, Leila, quick.
Pull my hair out.
Well, Cow, you have done a superb job. Excellent. Everyone have a good time?
Yeah, it was good.
Alright, we'll get back to Cowell and we'll do a bit of a cook up with the crabs. We got 33 for last night and this morning's efforts off the jetty. Time to cook them up. Always cook and cool your crabs in salt water as well. That's when I got 2 tubs from the beach. I got 33 to cook. Pretty happy with that. You'd be happy with that out of a boat, never alone off a jetty. So yeah, I'm stoked. And once that comes to the boil, whack them in for 8 minutes. And cool them off and time to enjoy. All cooked up, time to pickle them. Ooh, yeah, beautiful. And that is job done. 3 jars full and a little bit to snack on.